After this, we got the monster trucks coming down, and then we have the rock walk.
Then intermission and then a break.
Yeah. 2 intermissions before the break.
You know they're gonna do that truck ball like 7 just to keep you here all day. Two-wheel drive.
Is he really?
Big. Two-wheel drive.
No. I think someone else is completely unaware.
And Naomi got it.